Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube Kids on Vizio TV step by step clearly. To activate YouTube Kids on your Vizio TV, begin by turning on your Vizio TV. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Press the home button on your Vizio remote to access the Smart TV menu. Navigate to the apps section using the remote. Look for the YouTube Kids app in the list of available apps. If you do not see it, you may need to download it from the Vizio App Store. To download, locate the App Store icon on your Smart TV interface. Search for YouTube Kids in the App Store. Once you find the app, select it and click on Install. After the installation is complete, return to the Smart TV menu. Open the YouTube Kids app by selecting it from your apps list. The app will prompt you to set up parental controls. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a child profile. Input the necessary information, including your child's age. Choose content restrictions to tailor the viewing experience. Once all settings are configured, you will be directed to the main screen. From there, you can explore and select shows for your child to enjoy. Remember to regularly check settings and ensure they remain appropriate for your child. You have now successfully activated YouTube Kids on your Vizio TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.